In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a website using Weebly.com. We'll go through each step to help you integrate your favorite YouTube videos onto your own site effortlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools you need to create an engaging online presence. First, let's head over to the Weebly website. Open up your browser and type in Weebly.com, the free website builder that allows you to construct a website or online store conveniently. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage offering various options for creating your site. Now it's time to log in. On the top right corner, click on the login button. Here, you have the option to select different login methods. I recommend using the login with Google option as it's quick and allows you to bypass the need for manual account creation. Just follow the prompts to connect Weebly with your Google account. Next, once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard where you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Click on this button. This action will take you to the site editor where all the magic happens. You might notice a pop-up window that appears. Just go ahead and click the X in the corner of that pop-up to close it and keep your workspace free of distractions. With the pop-up gone, look for a button on your left labeled Show All Elements. Click on this to reveal a plethora of widgets and features that you can integrate into your web pages. Among these elements, find the YouTube widget. This is what's going to let you add video content to your site. Click on the YouTube element and drag it over to your web page. Position it wherever you'd like your video to be displayed. After dragging the YouTube element onto your page, click on the square you've just placed. This should open up a smaller menu or dialog box where you can input a video URL. Paste the URL of the YouTube video you want visitors to watch on your site. It's crucial to make sure the URL is correct to ensure the video displays properly. Once you've pasted the URL, simply click anywhere outside the box to save the change. Weebly automatically updates your site with the new content. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a YouTube video into your Weebly website. To sum up, using Weebly's user-friendly drag and drop tools can greatly enhance the functionality of your website without requiring any coding skills. With these steps, you have added dynamic content to keep your audience engaged. Keep exploring Weebly to make the most of its capabilities, and remember to publish your site once you're happy with all the changes.